French Haveli. The French Haveli is an 150-year-old artistically restored Gujarati heritage home. It is a thrill of drama and colors and homeliness. Maintaining its splendid traditional structure, the Haveli offers a unique experience of living in the historic community called the Pole. It is situated in Dhalni Pole in the old city. Living in this house is to experience the Gujarati culture and comfort and luxury. The Jula is a place to relax and feel the calming effects of the home-like Haveli. Staying in this house, you will experience privacy and yet be a part of the central community space that this French Haveli overlooks upon. The community space has a Chaputra and a 100-year-old Jain temple. The name French Haveli is derived to commemorate the first of its kind Indo-French project in India to revitalize the old city of Ahmedabad. French architects restored this Haveli and lived here. Baghban Haveli. Baghban Haveli is a 100-year-old restored Gujarati Haveli located in a quaint area of the old city called Dhalni Pole. Each colored in the company of other vibrant heritage homes, it's a sweet heaven to call your home. Its colonial style columns with intricate floral designs, all of the artistically restored and protected product of traditional Gujarati lifestyles. When we step through the wooden doors, we find an abundance of light and color. Our first stop in the Chowk courtyard, which opens up towards the sky. A jhula hangs over a sea of intricate floral designs, bringing in the cool breeze to the soft sounds of the pole chatter and labyrinth old city. An elevator takes you up to the 5 bedrooms, each designed with unique character. All rooms open into the central Chowk view, a special feature of Gujarati Havelis. Our culture encourages us to live in harmony with our community. This quality is deeply incorporated in the architecture of our Haveli. There is a direct access to the gazebo and the terrace to enjoy the clouds and the sky and the light clatter and chipper of the city. Rush up to the terrace and count the stars peeking out from a red sky, huddle up together in the wind. Watch kids in the neighboring terraces paddle it out with kites, have searing hot sweet chai, and shout out "Came cho" to the neighbor. It's a home away from home.